Here on the campus of Barrington University in the country of Kenya is the BIS School. This school serves the children of university students and the community. Shadrach is 6 years old. He is a student at BIS. He loves to play with his friends and participate in school activities. Every day, Shadrach walks a great distance to school. He's committed to learning because he has dreams of being a pilot and a doctor someday.
You can see that there are a few mistakes, isn't it? Yes. And the first one is...
This is Abigail. She is 13 years old and also attends BIS. Her parents are students at the Adventist University. Abigail loves to learn here. Both Shadrach and Abigail study hard in their school. Each day, both students walk home for lunch. There isn't enough space to prepare food for all the students, so only a few students at the school are able to stay for lunch. The rest walk home, sometimes more than 2 kilometers each way. The road is long, and its poor condition make it a difficult walk for the children. After lunch, students return to their classrooms. The classrooms are in poor shape, and when it rains, sometimes water comes inside. These conditions make it hard to learn. As you can see, the students here are eager to learn, but their facilities are not up to standard. They need a place where they can learn comfortably without having to worry about the weather and the journey home for lunch. A portion of your 13th Sabbath offerings will help build new classrooms and a cafeteria for the students here. Students like Shadrach and Abigail will be able to stay happily at the school for the day. Part of the offering also goes toward building married student housing for the university students, so children like Abigail can live closer to the school she loves. Please pray for the projects in Kenya and pray for the students at BIS. Thank you for your support of the mission of the Seventh-day Adventist Church.